In this video guys, I'm going to show you how to make social media AI trendy images with this AI tool called the Microsoft Bing. So guys, you want to simply sign in with the Microsoft Bing, and once you're right here guys on this platform, simply go onto the images section right here, and it's going to take you right onto this page. You can easily create awesome images that looks exactly like this by simply making use of the Microsoft Bing images field. So once you're right here, go onto the create button and it's going to take you right onto this page. So you want to see how images creator work. You can easily tap on the surprise me option to create an images, but right here guys, I'm just going to paste in this prompt right here. So right here guys, my prompt is about a young girl sitting on a casually on a YouTube profile page right there. So guys, if I simply just go onto the, as you can see, this is my prompt. So the important thing of this prompt right here is that your social media logo that you want to simply create that right there must be written. As you can see, this is it right here, must be written, which is the YouTube. I'm making use of the YouTube social media platform, and the character must wear this particular clothes right there, a Chinese clothes right there. So once you're done with that, you can easily go onto the create button and it's just going to create that images right here for you. Guys, as you can see right here, this is looking so amazing right there. And guys, you can easily just download this right into your device. So right here guys, I'm just going to change in the logo right here. I can decide to make use of Facebook. So let's simply make use of Facebook right here, and I'm just going to change in the clothes right here. Let's simply make this to be a Korean dress right there. So let's simply make this to be a Korean clothes. So I'm just going to do this right here guys, and go on to create, and let's see what this might create for us right here. So right here guys, as you can see, this is done generating. This is looking so amazing. So right here guys, you can easily just download this right into your device. So guys, if you want to simply create trendy images, social media images right here, you want to simply try out the Microsoft Bing right here to create awesome images that looks exactly just like this.